You are welcome to today's video. In the last video, I taught you on how to promote your ClickBank product. I believe that a lot of us have already registered, created our affiliate account with ClickBank. But in case you have not yet created your own affiliate account, maybe it is not successful, then there is no cause to be discouraged. There are other alternatives that you can really make money with affiliate marketing. There is Warrior Plus, there is Jvzoo, and a lot of Nigerians are making it, are crushing it with Jvzoo. So now in today's video, I will show you on how you can get started with Jvzoo and start promoting your product and making sales. Alright, now when you are on your Google, you just type jvzoo.com. Okay, now if you have not created your account before, you see start for free. Then you type in your details and select your country and you hit register. And when you are registering, you make sure you select affiliate as your own option. Okay, I want to believe that you have successfully registered your account. You have created your account with Jvzoo. So the next thing is how to start promoting your product. So I'm going to log into my own account now and show you how you can get started with that. Alright, now I have logged into my account now. As you can see, this is my dashboard. Today I have 1 click but no sales yet. So now if you have logged into your account like this, now you are going to look for a product to promote. You will come here, you come to under product here, you look at top sellers. These top sellers meaning the product that is selling the most as at today. These are the 10 top sellers. So you look at it. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 to 10 top sellers as at today. Then as at yesterday, these are the top sellers. As at this week, that is the last 7 days, these are the top sellers. Then the last 30 days, these are the top sellers. So among these top sellers, that is where you are going to select your product from, because it means their product is performing well. So this is, you select from among one of these. Then assuming you want to promote this number 1 product now, so what you do is you hit affiliate details. Now you can see request permission here. So what you do is you read here because sometimes it may be more than this what is written here. But for now, this is what we are seeing for as far as this product is concerned. Let us know how you are planning to promote for faster approval. No spam tolerated. Okay, now what you are going to do is, and you look at the commission. The commission is 50%. So what you do is you type, I want to humbly request to promote your product on my YouTube channel, and website. Then you check this and check reCAPTCHA, then you hit request approval. You wait for some days. Sometimes it can be immediately, sometimes it can be some days, sometimes your approval may not even be accepted. So if your approval was not granted, you look for another product and request for approval, because the vendors does not accept requests from new affiliates. So if they did not accept your request, you look for another product. Some will accept, so you continue looking for those that will accept until they accept your request. And once they have accepted your request, you now go to your dashboard. You click on this affiliate. Under this affiliate, you see approved product. You click on it and wait for it to load. Okay, now when it has loaded, you see these are my approved products. So assuming I want to promote this one now, this video dashboard commercial unlimited. So what I'm going to do is I'll click on get links. Then I'll copy this and paste it somewhere. Okay, now when you have pasted it somewhere, so you can paste it in a notepad. Okay, the next thing is maybe you want to add a bonus, an incentive to somebody that will buy from your link. So you click on that add extra. Now in adding extra, you go to bonuses. You go to bonuses, then this is where you are going to add your bonuses. As you can see, I have already added a bonus here. This is the URL of the bonus. Now this bonus you are seeing here, you will first of all create your bonus and upload it to your Google Drive and get the share link. If you get the share link, you can now paste the shared link here. And once you have done that, so that if anybody buys through your link, anybody buy this product through your link, they will be able to download your bonus you have for them, and that bonus help you to sell faster, because the same product you are promoting, other affiliates are also promoting to those same set of people you are promoting to. So some of them will like to buy from the person that is giving them a good bonus. They want to buy from somebody that is giving them a value, another thing that will add value to what they are buying. So if you want to really sell faster, it's wise for you to add bonus to them. So you add bonus here to make you sell faster. And once you have done that, you now go and grab your link and start promoting. I think I've showed you on how to promote your product for free without website. So you get your link and start promoting the product. And if you want to know more about the product, you visit sales page. Okay, now this is the sales page. You can decide to play the video to the end.
Are you ready?
You play the video to the end so that you know what the product is all about, so that you know what you are going to tell your prospective customers, you take your time to study the product. You watch the video, then read what is in the sales page so that you understand what the product is all about. What problem is the product solving? What are the testimonial? How much is it sold? All of that, you need to know a lot of details. And apart from here, you also go to YouTube and browse about it. What are other people saying about this product, so that you have a good knowledge about the product you are promoting. You'll be a kind of a consultant. You show people what the product is all about. You will be able to convince them before they buy from you. You read all the details and browse it on YouTube, on Google, make research about it before you start promoting it. Alright, I think everyone should be able to understand how to do this now. Thank you for watching the video, and see you again in the next video. Bye.